Hey friends, if you wish to install and use 7-Zip on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, first of all, go to the 7-Zip website and then click on download corresponding to it. And then you can click on download here and then click on open. Okay. And then click on install and then you can close it. Now it has been installed, but how do we use it? So I will find a zip folder here. Okay. I will delete these folders so you can see how it's unzipped. Right click on it, select show more options, select 7-Zip and select extract here. That's how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.